How to ward off snails and slugs. Tired of sharing your vegetable garden with slugs and snails? Show them who's boss. Use these chemical-free remedies to cut down on their population. You don't need pesticides to get rid of snails and slugs. There are natural ways to get them out of your vegetable garden. Salt, beer and eggshells will do the trick. First thing in the morning, take your salt shaker with you to the garden. Not pleasant to watch, but sprinkling salt on the slugs will kill them. Slugs and snails aren't able to walk over crushed eggshells. Scatter the shells around tomato plants and wherever else you notice they have been dining. The next time you open a bottle of beer, open one for the slimy creatures in your garden. Pour the beer into jar lids and place a few around your plants, flush with the soil. They are attracted to beer and will walk right into the trap, drowning before they can escape. Slugs and snails live under pots and rocks in the garden. They lay eggs here too. It is best to not have these or any other decorations available to them. Another home of theirs are weeds. Keep the slug and snail population to a minimum by regularly pulling weeds.